Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of the Eastbourne Fisherman. So today I'm going to a mark that I'm not even allowed to tell you where it is. It's that special and lucrative. So I'm going to meet up with a chap called Luke, who's a member of the group, and he's going to take me to a mark that has held some pretty good fish for him in the past. We're not allowed to do any filming of the mark itself, so all the filming will be out towards the sea, but hopefully we'll be able to get some good videos. Hopefully it's not too windy out there. And let's crack on and I'll show you, what we're up.
Right, so we're down at the first mark here. Luke's nearly killed me over the rocks, which is been a bit of a challenge. But yeah, we're down at the first mark, just getting set up now. My rod's all set up over there. Luke's over there with his rod there. Can't really show you, so don't really want to spoil the mark. My first bait's there. That is a squid on a size 4.0 5.0 kaiki hook. The wind's probably going to be a bit manic, but hopefully I'll try and voice over if need be.
Right, so the first bait is out on the rod. The mark's really different, not normal to where I'm usually used to fishing. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Squid bait out first, just on a standard panel rig, size 4.0 hook. Let's see what happens. Right, so next squid bait's going out, same kaiki hook. A Trident tackle pulley rig. Definitely not for the faint-hearted. Whoa.
Better go to the gym, innit?
Oh yeah. I remember this one for a while. It's a proper off the radar.
You feel it in your calves in the morning?
Oh yeah, I feel it now.
You alright?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Bingo. Man, that's man. So I started scaled down my bait. I've gone for a 2.0 kaiki hook circle. I'm just going for this squid face. Just making sure that's nice and tight on the hook. What we're going to do in a minute is going to pop those eyes to get all the ink running, and hopefully that'll be a nice bait. Just going to use the lead. Pop that eye there and get all that ink running out, and hopefully that'll be a nice little bait. Still at mark number 2. We can get that on the old rod and then get back out there hopefully. I think we're fish on there. I think we're fish on. It's definitely playing.
Fish on, mate?
I think so.
Fantastic. Feel like hound bass.
It feels heavy. Don't feel big though. Coming in over there, look. What? Oh yeah, it's a fish. It's a fish. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh mate, that's cool. Oh. Whoa. Oh.
Well done.
We got one. Yes. Yes. There he is. Oh, fantastic. What a fish.
Lovely rock mark bass.
Oh, brilliant. Thanks, mate.
So, mate, you're more than welcome.
Oh, mate, that's sweet.
Wow, what a night that was. Luke definitely put me on the fish. Absolutely fantastic. First mark we went to, oh man, it was mental. Really, really crazy. Climbing up and down to get to that first mark was crazy. Definitely a mark that is really, really, really good. And I reckon on its time it will be great. The second mark we went, yeah, absolutely great. Tide come in really, really quick. Luke had a nibble. Unfortunately, the fish fell off. And then I had a slack liner, reeled it in, there was nothing there. And then on my last cast of the evening, just with a small squid face on the Coyote, I think a Coyote 3.0 circle hook, just with a small squid face lightly whipped on, and then boom, the bass. That bass was brilliant. 47 centimetres it measured. I haven't weighed it, I haven't got any scales on me, but yeah, absolutely phenomenal night. So I just want to say a big thanks to Luke for showing me the new marks, and until next time guys, I'll see you soon. Cheers.